up? Hola, ¿cómo están? Thank you so much for stopping by again. I hope you guys are doing really good today. I am bringing you, girl, this makeup tutorial using drugstore products and hard candy. You know that is really affordable and they have stepped up their game. They sent me some goodies for their spring new release. They also reformulated some products, so I'm excited to share with you guys and also teach you guys how to create this makeup look. It's subtle, but at the same time it has a vibe going on with that glitter. Really digging this look. For a new viewer, I would love for you to join my YouTube family. It will mean so much. You will learn from makeup, cooking. Girl, I got you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. So enough talking. I'm going to show you guys how to create this gorgeous makeup look. Alright, so moving on to the face, I'm going to be using the hydrating primer, which is a 12-hour makeup grip, plumps and moisturizes and perfects. And is that it has hyaluronic acid, agave to help moisturize and grip the makeup, helps to plump skin, diminish appearance of fine line, gripping formula to help extend wear. And it looks like a green gel, so it doesn't smell like anything. I'm not a dry person on my skin. I'm like, oh my god, I have glitter everywhere. I'm more of a normal type of skin. It feels a little bit sticky, so I can say why they say that it has a formula to grip your makeup, to make your makeup stay. Alright, so I think that's about it. It's even helping me get rid of the glitter that I have from that thing. So now for the second product I'm going to be using is their Smoothing Primer Balm. I've seen that also e.l.f. has one, and I can't wait to put both of them together and see what's the difference. So it looks like this, and this one states that it will help to minimize the pores and appearance of fine lines. And on the inside is just like a thick consistency. So I'm going to apply some and see. And I'm like patting it. It does work. I can see it from my freaking mirror that like blinds me. I like this. I like this one. It actually does minimize the appearance of the pores. So for foundation, I don't have any from their brand, but I cannot wait to test it out for you guys. I'm just going to be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation, and I am in color Golden Honey. And I'm just going to be using a brush, not a sponge. I'm gonna apply some of their translucent Sheer Envy No Flash powder. It looks like this. I'm gonna apply a powder all over my face. I'm gonna be using their translucent Sheer Envy No Flash. So this one is also new, and it looks white, and it looks white on my hand. So it comes out white on my skin, which it doesn't. Now moving on to the lips, I've been loving this product that they sent me, which is the Max Pout Plumping Serum Supreme Volumizing Gloss. Girl, this stuff really works and it's super good, and I love the packaging, right? Like rose gold and pink. So for their lippy, they sent me so many lippies, but I don't even think none of these would look, I mean, I don't know. I mean, these are like an art lippy. They're so freaking beautiful. Just look at how gorgeous they are. They're just so stunning, and I feel like this needs like a not lip tutorial, like a lip video on Instagram. So they sent me a couple of lip products that I do want to use. This one is a Glosstopia, which is an ultimate lip shine. This is more of my type, you know that, since I already have craziness going on my eyes, but settle. And then the Syrup Kiss, a lip stain. So pretty. Their packages are so pretty. And this all matte up nourishing lip crayon, coconut and hemp oil. And it has the little hemps. They also sent out this product right here, which I feel like this is like more Natalie style, really girly and just really, you know, little girly stuff. So it's a glitter gel palette. Call me Sparkles. On my hand, I am testing out the Glosstopia Ultimate Lip Shine that has the hyaluronic acid, which is this one right here. And then this one is the Syrup Kiss. So for this look, I'm going to go with this one because this one's more on the glossy side. So let's check out how this one looks on my lips. I already have my lip liner on, and I'm using Angel Whip. That's what it's called. So let's see. So far it does not go with my look, but you never know how it looks. The feeling is a little weird. It looks nude. I'm just going to reapply some lip liner, and I feel so bad because I've been using the Selena lip liner in Entre Mi Mundo. Oh my god, girl. It's so beautiful. Girl, what do you guys think? I really like it. I do have to let it dry. I am going to top it off with this Max Pout Plumping Serum. This is really good. I've been using this by itself, and I love the way how my lips feel. Ooh, that's just something else. Oh yeah, I think that took it to another level. Two sprays from them, and I don't think none of them are makeup setting sprays. One of them does say it will make the application to extend wear, and it's a 12-hour wear, which is their hydrating primer mist, and it's oil free and also silicone free. And then I got their Soothe Calm Toner Refresher, which has hemp oil and aloe water. So I'm just gonna use this one to test out just a little nozzle. Ooh. Oh shoot. Oh man. It doesn't spray fancy or fine. I mean, if you can see, it's like so hard, and then like the mist. So I'm guessing just go like that. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys love the final look. I really love this eye makeup look. I am just a sucker for like neutrals with pink glitter or anything like that. It looks so, love the way that this palette works. It was easy to blend and everything like that. There was no fallout. I didn't even think of that. There was no fallout on the eyeshadows. There was on the glitter, of course, obviously there's always fallout on glitter, but there was no fallout on the palettes, and they're really, really affordable, you guys. Love it. I swear, Heart Candy has come along so much. It's seriously like an OG makeup brand. Like, I mean, So many of you, when I posted this, that I received some goodies from Hard Candy. A lot of you were like, I used to use this back in the day. Hey girl, I did too. I did too when I started, you know, high school. Hard Candy, Wet n Wild, and NYX were really affordable to me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment down below what other palette you guys want to see from the ones that I have. Follow me on Instagram if you guys haven't, because I will be showcasing more tutorials on there, just like little mini tutorials and everything like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified for more upcoming videos. Share my video with your friends, girl. Please help me out to grow this YouTube. Help me out. Share this video with your family and friends. Share on Facebook, anywhere, everywhere. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.